Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. The word meticulous is an adjective with a punch. It is certainly a word that's not to be taken as insignificant. Meticulous describes someone who is extremely careful, precise, and pays high attention to detail. Imagine a wedding planner working tirelessly to ensure every floral arrangement, each table setting, every tiny detail is just right. That's meticulous. Consider the sentence, the wedding planner was meticulous in arranging the seating chart. Here, meticulous describes the precision and attention to detail. The planner used this in crafting the perfect seating arrangement. Or think about how the meticulous attention to detail made the wedding ceremony unforgettable. In this instance, meticulous is used to highlight the exacting care that made the event so memorable. So remember, when precision and detail are key, the word you're looking for is meticulous. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this linguistic journey, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel.